Hello everyone. So today we will see how to install Apache Maven in Windows operating system, if it is Windows 10 or Windows 11. So for that we need to follow these steps actually. So to work with Apache Maven, first you need to download and install the JDK Java, and then you need to set the two environment variables, Java home and path environment variable. Then you need to download and install the Apache Maven, and then you need to set the Maven home and path environment variable. So let's move to first step. We will go to Oracle site, download the JDK version and install it. So I'll go to browser and type here JDK download. The first link you will get is a Oracle site. Click on it, then check for the different versions available here. As of today the 24 is latest version. Down you will see the operating system, so click on Windows, and under Windows I'll go with this MSI installer. Click on it. So this will download the JDK in your download directory. So let it download, and once it is downloaded we'll go to download directory and double click to start the installation process. Okay, so download is done. Now click on this to go to the download folder. Double click on this installation to start the installation process. So click on run. Installation started. Click on next. So this is the path where JDK will get installed. Please remember this path. C program files Java and the JDK-24. You can change also if you want, or keep as it is. Click on next. The installation is started. So Java is installed. Now click on close button. So next we have to set the environment variable. So then go to C drive, program files, then go to Java, and here you should see JDK folder. Go inside this and make sure there is a bin and lib folders are available. Okay, so copy this path. Don't copy the path till bin directory. Okay, don't take a bin, remove bin. So download the root directory. Okay, still here. Copy this, right click, copy, go to start menu and search env. Inside the env you have to click on edit the system environment variable, not the down one, edit environment variable for your account. Click on system variable. Then go to advanced environment variables. Here also you can go to the system variable and check if there is already Java home variable available or not. So you can scroll down slowly and see. If it is not there, click on new button, type here Java underscore home and paste the path which you copied, JDK path, not the bin path. Okay, and then click on OK. Again check for another variable, path variable. So this should be available by default. You have to click on edit button, not a new. Here if you have anything related to Java home already set, you can remove that one. Okay, and add fresh variable, percentage Java underscore home, all in caps, percentage, and then backslash bin. So this is what we have to add, and then click on OK. Again click on OK, again click on OK. Now go to terminal, command prompt, and here you will type Java space -- version to verify if Java is installed correctly. So you see JDK-24 is installed correctly and it is printing the version. So if you still see Java is not recognized command or something, you need to check echo and whatever the variables we just set, percentage Java underscore home percentage, and enter, and this should see the path, and this path should be valid. You can just copy this path and go to this path and see if there is a bin folder available or not. Okay, another verification you have to do is type echo percentage path percentage, enter, and make sure your JDK bin path is available in this directory. So if you go here, so in this one it is difficult for you if there are multiple paths available to detect where is your bin path available, and you see C program files Java JDK24 bin is available. But if it is lengthy script and you are not able to detect it, so you can print this line, this path on separate lines. So for that you will write echo percentage path colon comma equal to and echo dot percentage and hit enter. Okay, so I'll give this command inside description also, you can copy and paste. So this will display the all the paths variable set inside your system, and make sure there is no space and JDK bin is available there. And you see the program file Java JDK24 bin is available in my path environment variable. So once this is done, if everything is correct, and now you can check and JDK should be installed properly. Okay, so next is download and install Apache Maven. So I'll go to browser and type Maven download. Go to first link. Here scroll down little bit and you will find the links to download. So here don't download the source, you have to download the binary. So in binary also download the folder which is ending with zip folder. So binary zip folder, under link you click here. The version available is 3.9.11. So once it is downloaded, go to download directory, right click and extract this. Okay, extract all. So you can use any software if you have other software to extract this one, because this is a zip file and first we need to extract this one. So once the extract is done, let me go to download. This is unzipped folder. Okay, under this also we have Apache Maven and bin, right? So copy this folder and put it anywhere where you want. Okay, either in C drive or D drive, anywhere you can keep it. So I'll go to C drive, paste it here, and make sure inside this folder you have directly bin folder available. So copy this path again, okay, where the bin is available. Again I will go to env, edit the system environment variable, go to environment variables, and here under system variable check if Maven home is set or not. If it is not there, click on new, type here Maven underscore home and paste the home directory path. Click on OK. Again go to path environment variable, click on edit this time, and here check if the Maven home is available or not. Okay, I have already added, let me delete and add again. So click on new, type percentage Maven underscore home percentage / bin and click on OK button. Again click on OK and OK. So now this time you need to restart your terminal and type here mvn -- version, and this should display the Apache Maven. So again, if it is not working for you, Maven is not recognized command, so you can check echo percentage Maven underscore home percentage enter, and this should display the Maven home path. In this directory you should have bin folder available. Another thing you have to check is echo percentage path colon comma equal to and echo dot percentage, and this will display the list of path variables set. See, inside this make sure you have Java path is there and you have Apache Maven bin path is set. So once this is done, the Maven should work perfectly. Okay, so thank you. If you like the video or if it is resolved your issue, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.